Hey guys, good morning. So I'm getting ready. I'm a run go take up my camera a while ago and say, why me not come get ready? We don't know. Come chat. We don't know. So see me here. I'm having some twists. I'm gonna want to pull them out. So my hair twist up underneath this right now. Cause it wash and it just feels so clean and it having products and I don't want to fast with it. I don't want to pull it out, figure catch it up and put gel in it and mess it up. I don't want that. So I'm just going to wear this cute little protective style until I feel like I want to pull out the twist them. But for now, I'm not going to mess up my clean fresh hair. Also, I'm not even going to put much product on this part. Because as I said, my hair clean, I don't want a gel, so I'm gonna just wear it out like this. It don't look bad. It gonna blend in nicely. See? Just put some edge control at the front for tame it, and that's about it. Plus, I start use some new products. I'm gonna show you when I go in the bathroom. I'll show you soon, but just hold on. But yeah, may I get ready, guys, to go up on the road. Few stuff I want to get done today, cause I don't like the things last minute. I'm not supposed to see that with me. I love get everything out of the way. So I want to get stuck in because our convention is right around the corner. And one thing with me, we procrastinate and wait on the weekend for go buy it. When me gonna need it the Sunday. I mean, I love that. Plus, I want to wash my stocking because I don't know if I'm me alone, but them stocking here come with one awful scent these days. Like one time, you could have just pop out one stocking and wear it. Like all the same Sunday morning, you can send go buy one stocking and just put it on. No, you can't run them joint there. It smell weird. It come with one little fronzy scent. So what I normally do is when I buy my stocking them, I just wash them out because I can't deal with that scent there. So I want to go and get stocking. I want gel. I don't have any gel. I need to go Digicel to go sort out a eSIM. I don't think it's a tangible thing because it named eSIM. But I've never used one before. So I need to sort out an eSIM because my new phone requires that. I don't know if I did that tell you in one vlog say my phone hotter than the sun. My phone I overheat. Even if I put my phone on charge for like a couple seconds, it just gets so hot and that's not safe. Jason needs to go to the barber ASAP. We need to collect package and we just have whole heap of little things to do. So you guys are gonna come on the road with me and I'm super excited to be recording today because I start with a clean memory card. This is the first clip on my memory card. Nothing else not there. Me get rid of all of the old footages. Me use them up. Me delete what I delete. And I want to do better because once me have the clip in my phone for like 2 weeks or more, me just feel like me want to delete it because I tell myself that it's stale. Yeah, it need to go. I don't want to waste footage because if anything, I need to be uploading more. And there's no way me feel waste footage when I know my supporter them we sit down and watch me talk for even 30 minutes. And those were good footages. Also, get this edge control. It's not sponsored. It's just really good. Wait, yeah, good. Like if I use it with products, it will loosen up a little bit. But if you're here and have no product in it, like no, look, it come like me not even have no edges to hold it flat down. You can't even see it shine. See it? See that? Yeah, really good. Anyways, remember me did I tell you about the 5-in-1 flat iron? It's here. And I'm going to put it in my Amazon storefront. I bought it off Amazon. I already opened it because one thing with me, I will open the package them as me get them from the shipping company. As me reaching the car smear in it, open it up. Anyways, let us do a little unboxing. We need to hurry up now. Our time. Alright. We have little time. So the glove, just one, some scrunchie. Alright. So this one to give it a nice bouncy curls. The flat iron, this made it excited for see because I do want to see if it round like this, so I can use it for like curl and it not leave like a line in the hair. But yeah, this is it. Like it. All I need now, I want a tiny one for like flip the edges, but I can still pull that off because I can use this for the edge. You know, just put it in there and flip it up same way. Yeah. And then the small wand to give me the nice little curls. You see, all of them have this. Oops, sorry. All of them have this to plug it in. You'd call it the adapter part, the most important part of this entire thing, and then this one. And them feel real good. Them feel sturdy. The only thing, now that me I talk to you now, me need to do that. Me never test it. Me did only open it, and it comes with the bag to put them in. And then this is the most important part. So it works like this. Let me just do that one here for sure now. So you line it up and just insert it like this. Hold on. Hear that? Awesome. And then you just do like this. Now, best way for curl. Down. Me learn it now. See? Hold it with the glove. I hold you take this off. Oh, like so with the glove. And then you hold it, make it cool off. And then let it go. In a plug in. We just do a little ting. But we're gonna try the real thing now. And then we can curl a piece of this. Oh, this go now. It's on. May I put it at 1. I don't want it too hot. Look at me. No guys, don't look for me. Can you believe it? See, I made this. Remember when me just come on YouTube, you know? Boy, I tell you, life can really change. We need a glove, hold on. This pretty. No, wait. Let me do it one more time. Okay. It look good. But I said I can put like a white background so they can see it properly. Yeah, I need to be mindful about my background when I do my rest of wig videos them. Okay, alright. Lock it off now. Let me see if I can do this. I don't know how to use the one here now, you know. The one that is simple, okay, just wrap it round. Wait there. Alright. Put it on one. Let me get some more here. I wonder if this is going to revert. Must. Not worry about it. Alright, so we're going to do that one here now. Wait, let me do this. Why? I can't see. Where this go? Hold on there. Now, I need more practice with this. Asa? Wanna drop some tips to me in the comment section? Cause I don't know. I think if I just spin it till all of the hair in there. I don't know. I don't want to pop up, you know. I need to take up. Big people things by your head. Alright, I'm going to see what we're going to do. Oh, so I guess that's what you do. Yeah, I think me I get it now. Wait there, where is that ear? It done? Wait there, hold on. Wait there, wait. I ate this. You know, so perfect, you know. But it's a gone. Alright. Enough of this. Me need to go ready. What's the set work? So I'm gonna link it in my Amazon storefront. A matter of fact, I'm gonna do it right now. Alright. Quick and fast. I'm gonna see if it revert. Hopefully. It's not look great at all. Oh, I like it a come back. Okay, great. Alright, it come back. Can just wrap it up. Remember run go for the shampoo and the something me I telling about. Okay, so these are what I'm using now. And it's my sister who had put me on to them. You see this? I use this a lot. So probably that's why it'll work more than the shampoo. You know wash your hair every day, and I use this almost every day. So them place here, hold on. Yeah, them place here used to itch me a lot. Like right at the side here, so in the middle, right in them place here, used to itch me. So I'm just spray it on. Really good. And it smells good. See it here. Me hear Jason tell somebody said I'll leave out in the next 30 minutes. I'm gonna be at it. Turn with the ring light so I can see it better. See? Really good. So take a screenshot. And I think it's by Head and Shoulder. Yeah, Head and Shoulder. Alright guys, I'm gonna make it to the drizzle in Maypen. So I'm gonna see. Now I remember why I'm gonna wear a dress on the road. One piece of something, the drizzle blew up. I couldn't find a black tights when I leave out, so I put on one pink tights. Anyways, I'm telling you what I must say. Music I play, hold on. Very easy. For $1,200, your ID, and you're going to the My Digital app. Look when the chip, or the SIM card rather, was activated. But I don't know if I want to use that one or change my number completely. But we'll see. I'm telling you what I'm do. Also, when you change over to eSIM, you can't go back until, well, you can, but you have to go back in the office and make them give you a new SIM card, and that would be $750. Works the same way. You can put on credit, you do every single thing. It just not tangible, guys. So that's that. What's the first name? Iandra Baburam. Wait, roll this to me. Thank you, sir. Somebody that call if to see if it really work. Okay. Watch her. A long time in the sir, you know? Oh God. Look up in the Fred, you know? Terrified. Anyways, I'm telling you. But did I try to...
Cheese and peas.
Sorry guys. I know I probably want to see it, but...
No, that can't
no.
be on camera.
Mental illness is a real thing. I'm gonna really play about that. Anyways, listen, my next one is hotter than the sun. So now I'm on my new phone. And it's so cute and girly. Love it. Anyways, we're gonna horse square, right?
What?
Forget the gel and the stocking and the stuff them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. So we're gonna horse square now, and then after that babe I could get him like a haircut. Can't walk and now look. Anyways, come we're gonna horse square because we reach. I come babe or you stay?
No, come.
Okay. It's gonna rain. Anyways, we're finished. I just dressed up. We got him haircut now. Evan, come now. Evan, Evan, stop. Come, bite it, sweetie. Come, ready?
I'll bite it.
Bite it now, Evan. Evan, bite it. You're not biting. Guys, one thing me miss about my mother house. Them something here. For pick out Aki. One tea. Alright, I come in. And for strip callaloo, none at all. But one thing I must say, I admire how them eating at the house here. Them always have some fruit and vegetable and you know fish and them something there, and I love that. So right here, so we have ackee, papaya, eggplant, cabbage, banana, okra, callaloo. She asked me if I can pick out the ackee them before I go home. So I not talk too loud, and she in the kitchen a bake pudding and I do fish and crackers. So I will show you that. Use another well-known thing as an example for compare it. Like it have like Irish consistency, pumpkin. Wow, it chewy, it tough, it's soft. You boil it, you fry it. What you do with this? What you put in the moment?
Can you see the green ingredients? A bright thing.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yes, mommy, bake it pudding from one
You not
too.
get this when you're there with it, you're not getting none.
Mommy, I can't do me that.
You know, we see.
Put a milk or something with my pudding.
No.
I'm a fried
No.
fish. So let me tell you no, Mrs. She put in there. Cause she know.
Ay. Be not easy. Don't come back on me yard. Back on me yard.
I just tell them one thing.
No. They have to say potato going there. So that's it.
I tell them two.
Fish are breed.
The fish are breed.
So this is mine, guys.
Which one of you?
Just I leave the barber now to come pick me up. But mommy, you can put on me something them. Put my pudding in the fridge. When you comment in the comment section and say, Miss Desiree, put the pudding in the fridge. Even if you not left a fish, left a pudding, mommy, put the pudding in the fridge, please. And of course I got my little fish. And what do I drink? Milk, fish, and crackers. Delicious. Thank you, Mom. Good morning, guys. It's a very beautiful day. Look outside. So I'm gonna jump up and be productive today. Okay, let us get into it. So I was gonna water these cucumber this morning, but we got some rain last night, so them no need no water. The only thing though, me need to see if me can make the pumpkin there run go somewhere else. You know, so I have a problem because the pumpkin are run and then the cucumber them are go run. But these are coming on so well. Not bad at all. So cucumber, pumpkin. Oh, this is manure. It needs to spread out. But potato. So when them grow up some more, I go cut them off. And Lucy I go help me plant them. Potato slip. I think you must say it have to plant one certain way and all of that. So potato come on so nicely. This is some callaloo, but as you can see, yeah, where am I eat it? But this is how it's looking. It ready for cut. Some beautiful stalk upon it, like here. So me I go cut it today. You see? So them not devour everything, but them a eat it. And guys, here's a little progress on the grape. So it push out some new leaf. Them one here down here, so look away. It feels sturdy, it not feel dead. But let us watch it and see what happens. Why my strawberry look like this? When me I got my bed, my strawberry never looked like, well, yesterday, because I never looked on it when I came home last night. Something literally eat down the strawberry. Now I carry it inside, hoping to save it. But I don't know. I try to figure out like what could I eat it down. Wonder if it eat it and gone in the dirt. Or probably it have fungus, but fungus not gonna do it like this. Fungus would have more for make it whitey. I don't know. Jesus! Hold on there. I think this is so. Wow. Just wow. Anyways, moving on. I'm gonna wash out the two little things that I buy yesterday. So these are some bathing rag. And bathing rag can't be too much. I saw this and it was so cute. I'm saying, you know what? I'm gonna buy it. It's not bad at all. So, bruh. I'm gonna wash out the socks them and the stocking them. And I bought this contour gel. I don't know how it's gonna work, but you know, we'll test it together and see what's what. Comment and let me know if you still do this, because I don't think this is something I'm gonna ever stop doing. It is so convenient. Once me look like this, yeah, a time for hang out the clothes them. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make something quick and easy for breakfast this morning. So saltfish and baked bean, and I had some dumpling in the fridge, some boiled dumpling. So I'm just gonna fry them over with a piece of yam, and that's breakfast.
Everything I show you in this video gets used
Mr. White,
per week, if not multiple times
you're
per day.
welcome.
Oh, and this is
Tell me why I put on my camera and I remember about you know. I got so many stuff done in that space of time there. I went and I washed some stuff. I think me tell you that. Clean up the kitchen. Now me I iron. So for convention it's burgundy and black. So I iron Jason's burgundy shirt. And I have the pants for iron after. But me I check the seam because I don't want no double seam. And I iron out one. So I just check if it gone completely. Yeah, gone. Anyways, I soon finish and come back for now. I'm just finish up this. What does she have on me? She have iron. Good morning again, beautiful people. So I just got done doing everything. So sorry me now carrying it back and forth with me. Well, me did I do that? I should have, because it's a vlog. But I wanted to move quick and fast because the sun here not gonna trick me. It's very sunny outside today, but I just know it's gonna rain because yesterday I had the same thing happen. It was sunny, the sun was hot, and then rain started fall right after. So I wanted to get all of those stuff done. So I did a little bit of washing with my hands, just to wash out the stocking and the tights and the little underwear and stuff them when I put in a machine. So I got that done. My iron, my sort out some of my plant them, and I want to go on the road today to get something to spray on them something there, so worm can't stop eat them down, because I not only the strawberry look like that, the grape look like that as well. And I'm so worried that them probably not gonna make it. But if them not make it, I'm gonna try again. plant them over, because you know at the first time I do it, and at least I can know what to do and what not to do when I do the next set and whatever the case is.
No, sir, I want some clothes, you know.
You naked?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Who put here?
Whose phone a ring? Probably mine. Yeah, so what I did I say? I need to go get something for spray upon them. The best part is me glad me see how did I eat it down. It's still earlier after babe, what time? 10:30. 10:30. You see? You see when I get up and be productive? May I tell you, one of the best feeling ever. Because I woke up from 7 o'clock and now after 10 and I got everything done already. Because me say no, I'm not waste my time. You see your phone? Your phone can turn you in a cruff. And your phone can turn you in a millionaire. I can tell you that. You have to use your phone wisely. Because me used to have one habit. Because me always talk about myself first, you know. Because I'm not afraid to reprimand myself. Me used to have one habit where I wake up a morning time, I just scroll, I'm going to say, you know what? I need to stop do that. I need to break out of that habit there because that's not good. I'm going to tell you, sometimes with up on my phone, I'm going to say, oh, I'm going to just check one thing. I'm going to on my phone for 1 hour. So be careful of how you use your phone because your phone can help you, but it can also break you. Okay, so I never tell you, just don't spend your time sitting down and scroll and do things when not benefit you none at all. That's why I kind of change my content a little bit, like move it more to positivity. More when you come on my page, you learn something because I don't want to ever be that person that will say, Lord God, I sit down and watch Errands every single day. I not learn nothing, I'm not motivated, nothing at all. I don't want that. I want when you come on my channel, you feel like you want to come back because Errands inspire you to do this and whatever the case is. And that's why I'm just love how things set on my channel. I just come on my show and say this can happen and this is how it look like. Me not put on a facade, me not come here so I pretend to be somebody that I'm not. Me can't do it. Me cannot do it. Me just show you the real thing because one thing with me get tired easily. And me now after this I pretend and then me can't keep up with it. No way. Who love me. Who no love me. Everybody now gonna love you. Everybody now gonna love me. But going back, because I stray a lot, I want my content to be so inspiring. When you come here, you can say, oh, you know, say over Angel channel me this, you should do this, and me know say something for do it. Because when I go back, I watch other YouTubers. And if there is ever a time when I feel drained after I come off your channel, me not come back. I'm not bother with certain little things again, and I can understand that, you know, me gonna lose people because my content used to set away and adapt them the day for, and then now me just change it and whatever the case is, and it's okay. Even me stop watch people sometimes, so I don't have a problem with that. Me come here to learn as well. If me do something just like with the plant, no mood I want enough to tell me, say, no girl, do this, whatever the case is. So, me come here for this as well. And that's why I'm always encouraging us to comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. See, from me ask you that, you're good. Comment and let me know what you think. Because I don't want you guys to only come here for take. Me want to take from one too. Me want to share phone and knowledge with me in the comment section. It's just that I'm on the video, Uno in the comment section, and I read all my comments. I interact with all the comments, even if I feel left one heart. But going back, your phone can make you and it can break you. Be careful of how you just scroll and just get so caught up in a certain things and gone down some rabbit hole want enough to go down in a. But yeah, that was a mouthful, guys. I just hung up them clothes here, and then I might just end off for now.
Good morning on the vlog.
So I'm going to put you down and come back when it's dinner time. Also, I'm going to end off the vlog from now because after dinner that is it, and then I'll start another vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. And when I'm at 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. Me been have one something when me want to give away all along. And remember when me mentioned giveaway to one time, like I still have that item up until now. I'm gonna put it in the giveaway. I want to give away 3 items. Yeah. So get me to 100,000. No rush. Me could take your time. I want to gain good supporters. Me want when you come because you love positivity and certain things. Me no want gain no supporter because I want little mischievous thing make them come and them a follow up with you. You get what me I say? So I'll take my little time. I'm grateful for you guys who there. Big up on yourself. Who tried the journey with me from when. Big up on yourself. But just go and share out the content. Just go and comment and keep it positive. Okay?